believe that educators have the most important job in our country because they are entrusted with the responsibility of preparing all of you for a bright future. Didn't I say that this is one of the greatest teachers in our nation?
Yeah.
Yes, so Commissioner Vandeven, do you think you can find one more zero? Now, it is time to tell you the secret. Commissioner Vandeven, may I have the envelope, please? The Milken Educator Award goes to Meghan Menchella. Menchella, we are so proud of you. Please know that we love our Missouri teachers. We know that you're surprised. We know this is a huge honor for you, but it is a tremendous honor for us as well. We're so proud of you. Thank you for what you do every day to take care of Missouri's children.
You all raised me to be the educator that I am today. I came in here at 21 years old, and you raised me to be this educator, and I'm so thankful to work in a building with such fantastic staff. I see my team, I see my PLC, and I'm just so grateful to be here at Crestview in this community. And then to the students in front of us, you guys are the reasons that we come to school every day. There is somebody in this building who cares about you, who comes here for you, and so we hope that you can see that. We're grateful to have you in our classroom, so thank you so much again.